Hey, good morning. This is Anne from All Lines Are Beautiful, and I am working on a sketch for my 2025 Advent calendar. And this is the idea that came to me. I need to come up with it's an Advent tree Advent calendar, and I need to come up with the base tree. It has to be 3D. And so this is where I started. I want to come up with something slightly triangular and also something that my Epson can handle. I can only print 8.5 by 11 pages. So this is where I started. I was thinking that I would I would cut in one place and then fold the rest of the sides into each other. And I did another sketch where I realized in order to make the big version of this, I have to do it in 2 sections. So I'm going to cut little pieces and then fold them. It doesn't work. I need to be able, because I don't want a tiny tree. This is an example of the tiny, so I cut these little pieces out. And I don't want a tiny tree. I want something that's more like 10 inches tall. So I have to be able to print these tiny pieces bigger. And that means that I can't print this whole thing at once. I have to break it down into sections. So anyway, these are the little pieces. The next thing that I did was I just tried very quickly because I just want to see if this concept is even going to work. And the only way to know is to actually try it. So I put these. The idea was to cut them all, and then I was thinking there's going to be 4, and I'm going to glue them into each other like this, right? And then I realized that I don't need 4. I don't know if you can see that, but here's 3 of them. And if I glue the 3rd one together, you get the triangle. So I don't actually need the 4th one. But this is going to work because I can print one of these at, I can go as tall as the printer will let me do this width. Or maybe I'll do it this way. Anyway, this is the first part, is knowing that, making the decision that this is going to be my tree base. And yeah, just going, I think that's a good first start. All right, sending love.